Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. Looking for a Subaru? This might be it. This is the 2017, the Impreza. Stock number on this vehicle is 7406. Let's give you that virtual video walkaround. Take notice of the exterior condition. No rips, no tears, no dings, no stains. This is a Carfaxed one-owner vehicle. Has an absolute clean history report. We're going to show you the interior, the exterior. We're going to show you everything about this very, very clean Subaru. Lots of ample space in the rear for luggage, groceries, whatever might have you. Of course, Subarus with the all-wheel drive systems allow you to drive in inclement weather, rain, snow. Super clean interior, lots of legroom as you can see in the rear. And no virtual video walk around would be complete without putting you in the driver's seat. Easy access to all the controls. So for more information on warranty protection for life, oil changes for life at no extra cost to you, or more information about this Subaru, call us, email us, text us, better yet, come on down. We'd love to meet you in person, better yet, hopefully earn your business, because we know you have a selection around the Puget Sound, and we hope you select us. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.